Good morning everyone. This is the current affairs session and general knowledge session for 28 October 2019. So first one is State of the World's Forest Report is published by Food and Agricultural Organization, that is FAO. So FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, published the report State of the World's Forest. Second, TV Harega Desh Jitega campaign has been launched with an aim to eliminate tuberculosis from India. The government aims to provide free of cost and high quality TB care to all the patients, both at private and public hospitals. So do remember this title, that is TB Harega Desh Jitega campaign. Then United Nations has marked 2030 as a global target to eliminate TB worldwide. But our government of India has made 2025 as its target to eliminate tuberculosis from the country. Next, Asperger syndrome, AS, is a developmental disorder characterized by significant difficulties in social interaction and non-verbal communications, along with restricted and repetitive patterns of behavior and interest. So it's very important. Asperger syndrome is related to developmental disorder, especially social interaction and non-verbal communication difficulties found. Next, Alzheimer's disease. This is a progressive disorder that causes brain cells to waste away, that is degenerate and die. This disease is the most common cause of dementia, which is a continuous decline in thinking, behavioral and social skills that disrupts a person's ability to function independently. So just remember that Alzheimer's disease is related to brain cells waste. Okay. Next, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries has launched the scheme Operation Greens. This seeks to stabilize the supply of TOP. And you know, TOP stands for tomato, onion and potato crops, to ensure availability of TOP crops throughout the country round the year without the price volatility. Okay, so Operation Greens is to stabilize the supply of TOP. So guys, if you like this lesson, do like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. And most importantly, one question will be asked at the end of the video that will be more important for your upcoming competitive examination. So listen to the video very carefully until the end. So beginning the general knowledge session for today. The first one is Fatwa-e-Alamgiri. That is, Fatwa-e-Alamgiri was done at the behest of Aurangzeb. Okay, so Fatwa-e-Alamgiri related to Aurangzeb. Then Ibn Battuta, when he came, Ibn Battuta came during the Sultanate period during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, Sher Shah issued a coin of silver which was termed as Rupaya. And you know, this weighed 178 grains and was the precursor of the modern rupee. So it's frequently asked that Rupaya was issued by whom? Sher Shah. Next, the pioneer of communism in India was M.N. Roy. Asia's largest tulip garden is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Barak Valley in Assam is famous for tea cultivation. The Helmand province of Afghanistan, is famous for cultivation of opium. The cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, they are located on Honshu and Kyushu respectively, islands of Japanese archipelago. Okay, so Hiroshima and Nagasaki are located on the islands of Honshu and Kyushu of Japanese archipelago. Then Suez Canal joined Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Now this one, the last one, 7 Indian states How many? 7 Indian states have bicameral legislature, and they are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh. So resuming the current affair number 7. On October 27, 2019, USA President Donald Trump announced that Islamic State, that is Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, that is ISIS, leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi died in a raid conducted by US Special Forces in northwestern Syria. So, Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was killed on October 26 actually, but it was announced on October 27 by Donald Trump, President of USA. Next, South Korea, that is Asia's 4th largest economy, has said that it will no longer seek special treatment reserved for developing countries by the World Trade Organization in future negotiations given its enhanced global economic status. So, South Korea is not going to seek special treatment reserved for developing countries by WTO. Next, Indigen Genome Project, and this is very important, Indigen Genome Project. Okay, it was implemented by CSIR, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, IGIB, and it is located in, that is IGIB located in Delhi, and CSIR, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, Hyderabad. Okay, these institutes' locations are very important, and it was frequently asked that CSIR, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, that is IGIB, is located in Delhi, and CSIR, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, is located in Hyderabad. Indigen program aims to undertake whole genome sequencing of thousands of individuals representing diverse ethnic groups of India. And the objective is to enable genetic epidemiology and develop public health technologies applications using population genome data. Okay, so basically Indigen project is a kind of indigenous applications of different ethnic groups genes from India. Okay, next, or today is this is the last current affair for today's session. UNEP, that is UN Environment Program member states recently adopted Colombo Declaration, which calls for tackling global nitrogen challenge. So UNEP adopted Colombo Declaration that is related to tackling global nitrogen challenge. So coming to the today's question from the last class, and today's question is Lucknow-based school which breaks Guinness World Record title for having how many number of students? Fill in the blank. Option A, 55,546. Option B, 55,547. Option C, 55,548. And option D, 55,549. So do comment your answer, and we will meet tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.